Guys, if you're wondering what's going on, because we had a video up yesterday, and we had to put the new graphics on it, and I put the video up specifically to see what kind of feedback we get from our core team here, and Ronnie gave it a thumbs down. He's behind the camera. He didn't really think it was up to par, mainly because there was so many little dings on the finish. So Dean was here this morning. Our plan was to re-clear coat it because it needed to be re-clear coated. And Dean's like, well, you know, most painters, when they're gonna clear coat it, why not put color on it and do it over? So we also showed it to a couple other people. I won't mention their names, but they know who they are. And she said, honey, it looks terrible. And yeah. There's a lot of dings in it, and there's a lot of dings in the metal down here. We're actually replaced. What happened was a freaking, what do you say it was?
Like a quad, maybe?
No, a bird. It was a.
Oh, like a woodpecker or something.
Oh no, it wasn't a woodpecker.
Ducks, geese, turkeys.
Turkey. He said a male turkey saw his reflection there and dented the shit
tongue.
out of the bottom down there. It's thin metal. I've seen them do that before. A friend of mine has a real nice trailer. Did the same thing. So we're replacing that from there down, and it's $2,500 to have it done by Atlas Metals. So we figured the paint job. We put the new awning on it, which was pricey. That's a brand new top of the line black awning. Carlos spent like 2 weeks polishing all aluminum between the rack, the whole interior, the whole front. So we just had a group conscience this morning, John Lee, me, Carlos, and Ronnie, and we decided, hey, let's just do it right, Carlos?
Yes, sir.
So we stripped off all the new graphics that we put on it, and Carlos got up on and taped off the whole roof, because yesterday Carlos and I sanded the whole roof. It's an aluminum roof. We sanded it with 600 grit, right?
Yep.
Sanded and cleaned the entire roof, and he had already 320, 600, 800, all the aluminum and polished it like chrome, so that's all done, you know. This is gonna get repainted cloud silver. It's a Honda color. Everything on the back here is, we're going gloss black. That's our new team colors, black, and red. So it's going to be all black. This side here was pretty much mint. This is the sad thing. There was only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 barely noticeable dings, and there's the graphics up there. So, you know, if you ask why are we doing a trailer like this, go online, go on to rvtrader.com and punch in. The only other company that makes all aluminum toy haulers is Aluminum Trailer Company and Featherlight. And you won't even see any Featherlights listed on there. But to buy a new 20-foot long toy hauler, all aluminum, the ones that I saw online at RV Trader were starting at like $60,000, starting at 60, and some of them considerably higher, and none of them look this cool. This one is 7.5 foot tall inside. It's 8.5 feet wide. It's got the V nose on it. It's wrapped in diamond tread plate on the front, and the roof. The coolest part about it, in my opinion, is the roof observatory. Someone asked yesterday, does it flip down for travel? Not only does it flip down for travel, it doubles as a luggage rack to put canoes on, or a storage container like forget what Yakima makes, like these storage things you can put on the top there. So, and it's fully self-contained. It's got a 100-gallon water tank underneath it. It's got a queen-size bed that is removable. It has a porta potty, a sink, a fridge, a microwave, and of course has a little porta shower. So basic RV amenities, and for going to Unadilla or Southwick and backing this up against the track and being able to sit underneath. It's a 6x6 platform, so you can put like 4 or 5 people on there, and it has an awning that goes on top of it too, so you have a covered sheltered spot up top. But you can see, you know, every little thing on the trailer has been addressed. We're sanding the entire trailer down with 120 and then 320. And hey, Dean,
No.
you want to explain the process? What type of base coat and then top coat? It's the same guy that put down the world-class paint job on our CB750 and the KZ, or the What was the other one you just did? You did 2 CB750s.
CB750s and a bunch of others. But
Yeah. So, what are we gonna do here, Dean? Because he's like the master, we're the blaster. I'm basically just a laborer helping him on it. He's the brains behind the operation. So I've been sanding all day.
well, so we're going to do some red Scotch Brite with wax and grease remover. Wipe it all down, and do a little spot prime up there with some edge primer. And tomorrow it's getting a coat of black sealer and 2 coats of black single stage, black gloss single stage, and that should do it.
Most trailers, the paint that's on it is extremely thin from the factory, isn't it? It's like I don't even know how they paint it. It's such
I
thin.
don't know. It's a mechanical process, I think, or just a real. It's a super flat surface. This trailer paint is good. It's it doesn't want to sand off. It's a good finish, really, but.
We're redoing it mainly because of the multiple dings and dents and
Yeah.
like Ronnie, what was your opinion of it?
I mean, the aesthetics of the trailer, most of it's good, but some of the aesthetics are a little rough, as you see. Got some dents, so we had to repair.
That's why we're going to this great. I mean, we could have just clear coated it and sent it. It's not a new trailer, but Ronnie,
Yeah.
Dean, myself, I wasn't really happy with the way it looked. So sometimes, now we put 5 guys on this for 8 hours yesterday. That was 40 hours, and today 5 guys for 8 hours. Another 40 hours. 80 hours is shop labor. I mean, any auto body shop, if you ask them what they charge an hour around here, it's $100 an hour or more. So it's a lot of labor, and we've got 6 months worth of motorcycles backed up, 120 bikes waiting to get done. But we wanted to do this right. I mean, when my name's on it and it rolls over the curb, I want it right. So that's kind of why we did it. We just, I don't know, was it pride in the product? I guess we want it right, you know. So we got in a little deeper than we thought, because Carlos already had over 80 hours on the polished all aluminum, and he still got to do all 4 of the rims. So, and Dean had spent, how many hours do you think he had into the interior?
Yeah, we cut some plywood, got it all painted up for the bed system and everything. So yeah, I mean, I don't really know for hours.
And you hung the E-track in there?
Yeah, we did some E-track.
Probably a couple days, right?
Yeah, we're gonna be doing the floor.
So I'll have to figure it out when we're done, but it's been, where's he going? Escape from Alcatraz at 3:30, trying to escape with his turbo diesel.
Right.
We saw him.
Can't sneak out.
So,
No.
anyways, stay tuned. It will be gloss black, God willing, at the end of the day tomorrow. So, but these are the little dings that we're trying to take care of. See this right here? Can you show it to them up close, Ronnie? These are little tiny dings from driving down the road. You know, this is obviously towed behind a truck, so little tiny dings. So we're gonna take care of all of that, and then primer it and paint it, and it should be pretty damn nice when it's done. It's kind of dark in here, but you can see it's pretty cool. The bed's not set up in here, but it's fully insulated. It has all the cabinets. It's got brand new speakers hanging up from the ceiling here. Dean just put those in. Those are 6x9s, and those are I think 4x4s in the back. It's got the windows and 110 outlets and everything else. So anyways, stay tuned. Hopefully the next video will be it shining like a new diamond. John's pulling off the weather strip in here, or the silicone. We're gonna completely reseal the entire trailer, including the roof. That'll be the last piece of the puzzle. Oh, we're doing the Rhino lining on the floor too, which will be really nice. I got that in my other trailer. Not Rhino, Raptor lining. That's what we're doing the interior floor with, so it'll be oil and gas proof. So perfect little motorcycle RV hauler. It'll be black, the black awning on the side, and then a black 6x6 easy up on the observation deck on the top. So back to our regularly scheduled program tomorrow with the CB755 Ford Super Sport, an SL350, a 2024 gas 125, and the Cushman Taxi. So stay tuned. Sweet little 400 Super Sport, an XR600, minty fresh KX500 with some nice fresh knobbies on it. Can-Am 250, CR500, KX125. This one unfortunately has a seized engine, GT550, and a V45 Super Magna. Ought to keep us busy and out of trouble for a while. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.